Ever tried to automate your life only to end up knee-deep in error messages and way too many tabs? You're not alone. If you've ever asked, should I build in N8N or Microsoft's Power Automate to finally save time? Let's get real and break it down like we're figuring this out over coffee. Here's how it shakes out. Power Automate feels like the mainstream favorite, especially for anyone living in the Microsoft world. Want to streamline your Outlook emails, set up approvals, or automate Teams notifications? You'll feel right at home. Tons of templates, drag and drop flows, and serious security. Users on Reddit and Trustpilot say it just works until you want to automate outside Microsoft or need a premium connector. That's when surprise costs or confusing menus hit. And power users say it's less flexible when you need custom logic or advanced API calls. N8N is for folks who love tinkering and want full control. It's open source, works with more than 200 apps, and you can even self-host for free. Want to connect Discord with Google Sheets, run AI agents, or automate wild multi-step workflows the way you want, not how Microsoft says? N8N blows minds on Reddit with its custom nodes and freedom, but heads up, reviews say setup can be tricky, and if you crave instant results, N8N will make you learn a little first. Let's go side by side. Power Automate for quick wins in the Microsoft universe. N8N for total control and wild automations. Smash that subscribe, drop a comment, and check another video for more tech that actually works. Your time's worth it.